Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, we're doing a video today on French ditches. All right, and Tropical Storm Elsa came by here on the last video I did, and it was about 2 weeks ago. All right, I'm gonna tell you a horror story. All right, and back here is my building, as you see it. There's the gutter systems, and over here is my gutter system, right back there. All right. Anyway, we had 4.56 inches of rain, or 4.65 inches of rain. They got collected in the Davis weather station in the rain. But that all happened within like 2 to 3 hours. And anyway, let me get you off my mug here. Anyway, up there where the garden's at, the rain was just coming down. All right, I'm gonna take you around here. It started coming down, and as you see here, that piece of pipe right there, originally, I'm gonna go through step by step. I should have made a video of me doing it, but I don't know if I wanted y'all to get bored. But the drain pipe originally came out of here, and went to, I'm gonna put my seeing eye glasses on, and originally goes over there. Okay, that drained water from here down there. Okay, it diverted water that way. But see, this is kind of coming downhill. All right, but that was diverting water that way. I'll take you over here and show you this. But did a lot of researching and this and that. Okay, I finished this one. This one was originally just going over there. It stopped right around that area right there where that black cap is at. The pipe originally. And they put it underneath this apron around here and went underneath this apron, and it comes out there by the 2 fruit trees. All right, so water can, drain and all that stuff. It's called a French drain system. All right, but here I'll put it. Okay, anyway, just back to the story. I get off track a lot of times. But anyway, water came down here. There was a pond sitting from there. Water was not draining out. All right, and this is like once in every 10-year tropical storm, or with the bad rain, that is. All right. Okay, anyway, I didn't. The power was out. I did a video that evening, or the video of the power being out, Tropical Storm Elsa. And we had blowing rain, sideways rain, and we probably had 6 inches of rain altogether. Because the sideways rain, you can't really calculate that in your rain bucket and your rain gauge. So I didn't plug in the refrigerator to deep freeze. I said, well, okay, we got it made. All right, turn some lights on. Well, I looked in here at the refrigerator about 2 o'clock in the morning when the grid power came back on, and I saw water in front of the refrigerator. But I was like, wow, man, I should have plugged them in, but that's not enough time for anything to thaw out. So, needless to say, this is all my junk, my boots and shoes that usually I have in the office, my game cameras, game camera boxes, that is, my boots on top of my DeWalt dust collector. And everything else, my batteries for the feeders and game cameras and this and that and urethane. And my bags got wet, my hunting bags, my squirrel hunting bags, my battery bags, everything you see up there. And look in here. This place is empty, no carpet. That got all wet and damaged. I mean, my mistake, big time. I mean, everything was wet in here. I came out here till 4 o'clock in the morning, took all the old carpet out, just threw it away because I was no good. Everything's dried out in here now. We had about a half-inch of water in here. All right. Well, I'm like, man, no need. I say, I don't have flood insurance, but also I'm going to fix that problem. Anyway, there's water coming across here. Just come across the whole side of the garage, and just finally came out. But like say, oh man, I was sick. I was sick. For example, that CZ rifle, you can see the border. On the gun, the gun's okay. The gun's fine because it had you know, everything, styrofoam, all that good junk in there. That's all right. This box, one of my original 1022 long barrel boxes, was underneath there. Got a little wet, damaged, but still okay. It dried out. This game camera box got wet, as you can see. Not a happy box right now. I'm getting ready to chunk that because I got another box to replace it. I mean, from another game camera. That's what I got to do with this. But manual got wet. Just a lot of stuff that you don't really want to happen. They weren't expecting to happen. Okay, and I'll show you how I fixed it. All right. Well, you talking about, oh, sick. I mean, I did the video that night. I said, man, I ain't making a video of it. But I was like, you know, it helps a lot people be knowledge. And it's my fault. My fault. All right, what I did here, as I dug down here, connected that to a T, which it wasn't done before. My fault. Okay, I run the drainage ditch down and put a hole in the pipe. Oh, that'd be good enough, because there's like a whole bunch of 54 stone in there. Not enough, people, not enough. So I went ahead and put a T there. So now the water can come out from here into here. All right, I'll show you what I used. I use this pipe before we go any farther. All my parts are back in this. I got all my stuff from Home Depot and Lowe's. I got this perforated with a sock on it, that way you can use dirt or either gravel, either one you want to use. It's got a sock on it. But as you see there, it's all perforated as far as you can see. That way water can leak out. Okay. And that's like bend a drain or flex a drain or something like that. But yeah, it's a mess. But that's good stuff. I bought 50 feet of that in my T's, my other connectors, and I got several stuff in there. Drain caps. But we're gonna go over what we did. But that's what I used right there. So what a mess, you know. Good thing. I mean, I'm still gonna put stuff in Ziploc bags. And you got any concrete on the floor, you don't want to lay it directly on it. Put a piece of plywood or something underneath of it. All right. All right. So originally, the pipe that was put here stopped right here. Okay, well, I dug it up, dug everything up. I'm 51 years old, which is not old, but you know, well, I still got it. I can still work a full day and then some, and keep on getting up on it. I'm not 20 some years old anymore, but anyway, I dug down. That's a T right there, coming into the old pipe, and I continued it on down. I put a T right here, and then I got a drain cap. In case the water ever comes down here again, it gets a flood in this area, it's not going to flood anymore. It's going to go down in that pipe. And I use pea gravel. As you see right here, pea gravel. And I used 6 bags of pea gravel after I dug the trench. All right, and I got topsoil, but really didn't need it. I got good topsoil there, and grass is coming back up. So going back, I got the trenched out, put a T there, and I got pictures as I go along. And went along, I got a T here, because you know it's a low spot. T there, going from that pipe to that pipe. It's all connected now. Okay, I got a T there, then I got connected here with another T of the pipe connecting to that pipe. And it's going this way, like originally, and it can go this way and drain out. So, and I'll show you where the And you know, that's what it is. And I'll show you the where the drain pipe comes out of the ground. But just to help people that live around my area in the south and the deep south, to really have tropical storms, and you know. But there's a hole right there of the drain pipe coming out. Y'all can see that. And water's coming out. It'd be gully washing out. And I dug down to, you know, stuck my hands in there and all that good stuff. That's one drain pipe coming out. That's all coming downhill. And this side's fine. And before, when I had the building, water would come underneath the foundation and come out. But not this time. It was just too much and too fast. But anyway, I'll show you where the other, and this side's okay right here. No problems there. But right here is the other drain pipe. This other drain pipe right here between the two fruit trees, like I said, it comes from that gutter there underneath that apron to down here. So there she is. But I just want to share that horrible experience about getting everything almost ruined. Luckily I took action and got it all cleaned up and let it dry out, but hopefully we got the problem fixed. But a lot of manual labor and a few $100 worth of material, and we got her done. And I probably did it overkill, but I don't know. Like I said, it's my fault, y'all. But I hope it never happens again. But anyway, just want to let y'all see what I've been up to. It hadn't been real fun, if you know what I mean. And there's where during the ice storm, that's where a tree came down and went bam, hit that and bent that up a little bit. But it was a big tree, and it didn't perforate it, no holes, so we're in good shape there. But there we go. That's what we all got. So I just want to share that with y'all and tell me what you think. I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, but I don't want this to happen again. It's like I say, my neighbor's been here since 1981, next door here, and it's the first time he's seen that much rain in forever, all at once, that is. All right, well, it's just been a heck of an experience, I'm gonna tell you y'all. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching, y'all, and show you what I've been up to. Trying to get the background here of the project. Yeah, it's been heck. But hey, y'all, I want to say thank y'all for watching, and give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and tell me what you think. And like I say, my own fault. I'm my own worst enemy. Well, hey, thank y'all for watching. God bless and simplify. And I had to dig about 14 inches to get it right. So it's all done now. Y'all have a good one. God bless and simplify. Hoorah. Y'all take care now. Please subscribe. And I hope y'all doing well out there. All right, now y'all have a good one. All right, take care now. Bye-bye.